Remove the cowl, detach that breather hose, remove the engine cover, remove the coils, remove the Valvetronic motor, detach the electrical rail, detach the battery cables. Big cable goes on top, little cable goes in the bottom. Disconnect the O2 sensor wires, then detach the fuel rail, injector rail. Black clip goes up front, gray clip goes to the back. Detach the fuel rail. Fuel rail and electrical harness cleared out of the way. Remove all the valve cover bolts. Had to go blind in the back. One down there, one down there, one in there. Whoa. Alright, valve cover's off. Holy crap. Had to use a rubber mallet to knock it loose. 6 coil packs. The first and 6th cylinder. The boot stayed in the hole. Remove the ESS seal. Reinstall the gasket on the valve cover. 3 new spark plug gaskets. Valve cover gasket are on the perimeter. Valve cover back on. Holy crap. I think the gasket is all, I checked around the perimeter, it's not pinched or dangling. Now I got to tighten up the bolts. The ones in the back are a nightmare. The gasket was pinched. Spent like an hour trying to unpinch it. Had to loosen all the bolts and lifted the cover and sort of reseated the gasket with my fingers. Went all the way around. Holy Jesus. Alright, Valvetronic motor's back in, and now I'm putting the coil packs back in. Alright, electrical rail's back in place, and the fuel rail's back in place. Right, crossbar is back, the cowl is back, engine cover is back. That's it. Alright, the job is done, the garage is empty. Just gotta put the tools away. 12 hours. Professional does it in probably 3 hours. Damn.